Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. I'm going to do another painting today. It is going to be Rip from Yellowstone. All the girls are asking me to do Rip from Yellowstone, so here it goes. Rip. All right guys, you guys know the deal. The wood is all prepped, ready to go. I've got my stencils all cut out. Yeah, this one's a pretty easy one. Went pretty fast. Pretty easy to do. But I'm getting pretty tired, so I got to go out and do some work in the yard. I hate to do that to you guys, but that's just how it is. All right, let's get to it. So, when I bought this house, it had a pond. Out beyond that wall is a pond. We'll go check it out. It's December, and it should not have any of that on it. That's all duckweed. It's not scuzz, it's duckweed. Over there is the outlet. I gotta go over there and make sure that the beavers haven't plugged the outlet of the pond. Hopefully it won't be too much work. Beautiful pond. Lots of duckweed. If I can keep that clear, it'll all go down. I think I'm done for the year though. It's mostly gone. Now all I have to do is make sure the beavers don't get in here and flood this. Well, I did it without falling in. That was lucky. All right, let's get back to it. This thing's kind of... I'm gonna be done here before too long. It's a good thing that his skin doesn't need to be real smooth. kind of looks like a hard guy, you know. And that's good. He's supposed to look hard. Like he fell off a horse right on his head. Yep. That's good. Let me know what you think in the comments about Yellowstone. Because like I said, I haven't seen it. Someday I think I probably will. A lot of people say that Rip here was the best character. Also, let me know who you think the best character was. This photo came from a scene where he was sitting around a fire. The wood is perfect color for that. It just has that almost sepia look, that warm glow from the fire. That wood just picks that up just perfectly. All right, guys. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. I'll be doing another painting next week.